Hello friends, in today's video we are going to learn text function in which any given value you can convert it into some other usable format. So like for example on the screen you can see these numbers 1234.5. So I will show you one example of text function. So formula will be text, then you will select the cell, then in the format you are supposed to put the format in the quotes. So I put the first quote and let's say I make it 0.00 quotation again bracket close parenthesis. So now you can see that I can have two decimals after the given number instead of what I already had was 1. Now even if I put 0 here manually, Excel doesn't accept it. So in such cases, if you still want 0 to be appeared, second 0 after a decimal, then this function will work. Another example of this would be in it will be useful in converting any given value into currency. So for example, equal to text, select value, then quotation, then I put my desired currency sign, which is dollar for now, then hash, comma, again 2 times hash, then 0, close another quotation, and then close parenthesis. So like this. So and you can combine this with other functions also. So for example, you can do it like this: equal to your salary is, close quotation, and now I put text function here. Let me put a space here, then again and then I start text function here, text value, comma dollar hash, comma 2 times hash, 0, another quotation, bracket close. I forgot to give the first quotation. So yes, like this. So this is how also you can use it. Now let me show you something. Like here there is a date. You can see you can convert this date into various different formats. So for example, equal to text, select the value, then in the format text, in the quotation you can make it like dd, comma mm, comma yyyy, quotation for closure, then close the bracket, enter. So as you can see, I gave comma. That is why there is a comma after every number. But instead of comma, let me give a dash. Then let's see how it looks. Enter. So yes, this is how it will look like. Now you might think, what is the difference between first one and second one? So I'm just coming to that. As you can see currently in the formula, I have typed m 2 times. It is repeating the same date again, but now if I put it 3 times, then see the month in the middle of this date has got converted into Jan, like Jan, like text instead of the numerics that we had. Then let's say instead of 4 times y, let's say if I only want last 2 digits of the year, so yeah, I just put double y 2 times, then we have 25. Now let's say instead of dd, if I put only d, how does it look like? 1st Jan 2025. Let me copy and paste it here. Let's do some experiments how it will look like. Let's say I have date of 12. So like up to 9 it's okay with single d because there is anyway single digit date. But what if I have date like 12 which has 2 important digits? So yes, it is still accepting the input and showing entire 12. Now let's say I just want to know month and year. So here what I will do, I will remove D altogether. I will put month, and instead of dash, let's say I put single quotation. Yeah, as you can see, Jan 25. So this is how the text function works, especially in many times when you, as a finance person or as a data analytics person, you get certain data, and for some reasons you want to, convert these dates into uh, name of the month and year, last two digits of the year, that type of combination. Then in that case these type of formulas definitely help out. So hope you find this video very useful. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video more and more. Thank you.